So welcome to the daily view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. As you can see, Nifty continued its short-term correction, like we have mentioned before, that 17,950 seems to be the initial target, and it has closed even below that. So coming to lower time frame charts, if you see, this is the 75-minute chart. So 17,950 has been breached, and the next support is at 17,650. So it's still a sell on rise market, and 17,650 is likely to get achieved by in next two to three sessions. And the trend has turned down yesterday, and it has continued today. So uh, we mentioned that 7950, which was the previous swing high, could act as support. It certainly took some support there, and then again during the day, if we look at the 15-minute chart, it took support at 17,950. Exactly that, and there came a bounce, and then again the downtrend continues, which means that more downside is pending, and we can fall to this. If you see, this is the if you remove all the other moving averages, this is the significant moving average support, which is the 50 DEMA. So 17,650 is likely. Use short-term rallies to create short positions if you want, and the first resistance on the upside could be 18,100, 120. So any bounce till 18,120 could act as a resistance zone. So let me write here on the upside 1800 to 18,120 could act as resistance. So if there is any rally intraday, 18,100 is possible, but that will be acting as a resistance. And fresh downside can start from there till 17,650. If you look at the open interest on Nifty, so all these green bars, all call writing has taken place. If you look at the OI buildup, these are the calls. So from 18,000, 18,100, 200, 300, all have been written. Even some in the money calls have also been written. And on the put side, 17,800 below puts have been written. So 17,800 could act as a support tomorrow, because tomorrow is expiry. Tomorrow only we will not go to 17,600. So if you look at the open interest, so 17,800, which is this. So put writing is taking place in these zones, 17,800 to 17,500, and call, as you can see, is big bars. Anything above 18,000, all are in all strike prices. Call writing has taken place. PCR is 0.49, so it is little bit on the oversold side, and tomorrow you might see some volatility because of expiry. So we expect 18,100 to hold on the upside and 17,800. So this could be the range. It's a big range because IVs have shot up also, and 17,800 tomorrow could be a support, and on the upside 18,050 to 18,100 could be a resistance. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty went below 38,000 but was relatively stronger than Nifty, as you can see. No big red candle. This can be a indecision candle. So as you can see, 38,000, it went below 38,000, but quickly was able to recover back. Look at the 15-minute chart. So this went till 37,780 and came back to close about 38,000. So right now Bank Nifty is relatively much stronger than Nifty. So 38,000, there is a tug of war going between bulls and bears, with put writers having an edge. That means bulls having an edge. So if you look at the 75-minute chart, so next support is at, as we have mentioned, 37,600. We have already mentioned yesterday 37,500 is the next support if this downtrend continues. For Bank Nifty to show some strength, it has to sustain above today's high. So what is the today high? Today high is around 38,300. So if Bank Nifty has to show some strength, it has to sustain above 330. Otherwise, this intermediate correction which is going on will continue till 37,600, 500, and 50 demise at 37,200. So this is possible on the downside. If Bank Nifty has to show some strength and reversal, it has to close or sustain about 38,330. So let me change that. Bulls will gain strength only if Bank Nifty sustains above 38,300. So this is our view. So watch out for 38,300 on the upside, and on the downside we are expecting 37,500 to 300. So some of you have asked about the Nifty Auto Index, so we'll discuss CNX Auto today. This is a chart. We will shift to long term because it has kind of formed a double top. If, as you can see, this is the double top. So if this gets crossed, you can expect a new rally in stock Tata Motors, Maruti, which are the heavyweights in the Nifty Auto Index. So above, watch out for this level. It is 12,100. So if there is a weekly close about 12,100, or even if comfortable good daily close about 12,100, you can expect new multi-week rally in Nifty Auto Index. So the stocks looking good are Maruti, as which are the heavyweights. Maruti has a weight of let's see, Nifty Auto. So you can look at the weightages here. So Maruti, Tata Motors, M&M, all are looking good. So these three stocks should be in your portfolio, and yes, these three are looking good. We can look at the charts as well. This is Maruti consolidating above 80, 480, 500. You can expect a good rally. Tata Motors, the leader, which is around lifetime high, which can scale the lifetime high if this is crossed. So this is a daily chart. If this 530, 540 is crossed, Tata Motors can head to 600 levels, which was the previous all-time high. And one more stock is there, M&M, which is also looking good. It is around all-time highs again. Sorry, this is M&M. If it crosses 980 to 1000 levels, it can also start a multi-week, multi-month rally on the upside. So watch out for the CNX auto sector if it closes above 12,100. Thank you. That's it for the day.